प्रकाशान मरणा आधी व्हॉट्सॲप मेसेजीत विल्सनाचें नाव घेतलां. खरें खोटें भायर काडूंक विल्सन गुदिनाची कस्टडी जाय म्हूण अटकपूर्व जामीन अर्जाक ओल्ड गोवा पुलिसांनी हरकत घेतली.
Accused Wilson Gudino had filed anticipatory bail application in the death case of Prakash Naik on 19 January, and the matter was argued on 21st January. Prosecution had opposed the bail application, and today our district judge has passed the order and anticipatory bail is rejected.
विल्सन पुलिसांक शरण येवचो ना. सेशन्स कोर्टाच्या अर्जीक हायकोर्टात चॅलेंज दितलो.
Now he has an opportunity to prefer to file an application for anticipatory bail in the High Court. So there is a legal recourse available to him. Now also keep in mind one thing, apart from the mere fact that the suicide message note on the WhatsApp merely mentioning his name, there is no other iota of evidence on record to suggest that he has abetted the crime of suicide. So that is important. We tried to show it to the district court, but unfortunately we have not been persuasive enough to convince the district court. But we are taking the matter to the High Court.
सेशन्स कोर्टाचे अर्जी उपरांत ओल्ड गोवा पुलिसेन विल्सन गुदीन आनी ताहिराक सोदूंक हालचाली सुरू केल्यात म्हूण सुत्रां सांगतात. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.